We'll guide you through how to allow installing apps from unknown sources on Android. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying if you've gone and downloaded an app and you're unable to go and install it. In this case, I'm trying to do this in Chrome. It may be a different app for you, it doesn't matter. Here it is here. If I go and tap on it, I get this pop-up at the bottom saying for your security, your phone isn't currently allowed to install unknown apps from this source. So you can press settings there and get to the setting, or alternatively, manually open up your settings, scroll down and go and find the option for apps. Now we need to find the app it's happening in. For me, it's Chrome. For you, it could be different. It doesn't matter. Find the app and tap on it. Then scroll down and find the option Install Unknown Apps and switch it on, like so. Now you can come and return. Now, when I go and tap on it, you can see we can then go and press install and it's going to be installed. It's that simple. If you found this useful and it solved your problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.